Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we have a lip swatch video. Revolution have extended their lip contour line and they did this the end of May? I'm filming this beginning of July, so I'm really late this time. I'm sorry guys. We have 4 new shades. We have Fierce Wine, which is this shade here. Then we have Coral Babe, which is the corally color, Soulful Pink, and then Sassy Red. We have 4 shades to swatch and I'm very excited. These are their lip contour kits. On the back it actually shows you how to use them, which is adorable. Let's just get into this. At one stage, like I said in my haul, I will swatch, like I've got all of them, and I will do like a whole video like just rounding them up and swatching them all for you, but just not today. So let's start off with Coral Babe. That is the color of the box. Very, very lovely. And then this is what the actual lip kit looks like. So it is a liner, which is a pencil liner, and they're very sharp, by the way. And then it is a liquid lipstick. So if you don't like liquid lipsticks, this isn't the lip kit for you. But if you do, you'll love these. Oh my god, I just pulled the stopper out. No. They definitely released these at the right time of year. This is a shade I've not got in my collection. I don't feel like I've got it at all. It's a very nice coral shade and it's a very nice summer shade. I am very much in love with it. I feel like it really goes, like I've got my summer tan already and I feel like it just really goes with my tan. So I'm very, very happy with this. I didn't think that I would like this shade, to be fair. I thought it would be a bit too corally, a bit too bright, a bit too neon, but with a tan, this looks banging. So I think this is going to be such a nice shade for a lot of people. I'm in love with it, and it does dry down and they do get very super matte. So if that's not one of those things that you like in a lip product, then you're not going to like these, but they're very much comfortable, not sticky. I can move my lips around. So yeah, I've had a lip oil on before. I had one of those fat oils from NYX on, so my lips do feel very moisturized, but I use a baby wipe to wipe it off and it's just gone on very nice. Very excited for that one. So we're gonna go for Soulful Pink next because I feel like that is just the way to go. We've gone coral, we go pink, we'll go red, and then we'll go wine. I think that is the best way. Oh, this is like a raspberry pink. That is what that looks like. I don't know if I showed you the coral one on my hand, but that is what the Soulful Pink shade looks like. I'm very excited for this range. I need to wear them out. I really do. This shade, again, is honestly so good for the summer. I sadly broke my liner, so it didn't go on as perfectly, which means my lip line for this shade is just not the best, but it actually looks stunning and they dry down so nice, and the formula isn't patchy or anything. This is just one layer, like you do not need any more than one layer. So that's the one thing I like about these, is as dark as they go, they're not patchy. They work very, very well. This color is just, it's banging. I love the fact that these don't go patchy at all, because it's just one of those ones that you can rely on, and you can, when you're topping up, you're not going to be too worried about that. So yeah, the formula of these is really nice. They do have like quite a drying formula, but they're very comfortable. Again, I've just used a baby wipe to wipe it off and it doesn't feel too bad. So the next shade we're going to go for is Sassy Red. I'm looking forward to this shade. Oh, this is a shade that I didn't think it would be. It's like a brick kind of colour. It's that shade at the bottom there. And the liners I find are lighter than the lip kit, the liquid lipstick, and I think that's just because it's just lining your lips. This is going to be the full colour, like the full bam. But the liners are very soft, very creamy. They're not dry, and even with the one that I broke, I still managed to line my lips just horribly. Let's just throw it on. This shade, again, is really nice, but I just need to show you that the wand is very like, I don't know, the wand on this I think is not, you see how bendy that is at the end? It's very much like it's gonna break, like it, and the product is seeping out the bottom of the wand, so it's, I don't know, like it's a really weird, I feel like I've just got a weird batch or something, because like the topper kept spurting out of the first one. Now this one, the wand is bent like it's gonna break, but the colour on it is honestly beautiful, and I don't think I would break the wand, but if you've got a heavy hand you might break it. It's a gorgeous shade. Again, I thought it would be a little bit darker. I'm trying to just work out, it's just a bright red really, and yet my application is not the best now, because when you're swatching darker colors they just go everywhere, but the shade is spot on. And the next shade we have is the one that I'm looking forward to. This is Fierce Wine. I hope this lives up to what I feel like it could be. It honestly looks gorgeous. Look at that shade. That shade is stunning. It is definitely like a light winey kind of colour. It's not as deep as I thought it would be. I cannot wait. Let's just throw this one on now. This shade I feel like is like Soulful Pink, but a bit brighter and a bit deeper. So if Soulful Pink's a bit too light for you, you're gonna like Fierce Wine. It is definitely like that one shade deeper than it. I think this one is going to be a favourite. I actually feel like I love all of the shades. This is definitely my favourite out of all of them, but it wasn't patchy, which I'm very, very impressed with. This one actually is just a little bit above the other colours that I would use. All 4 shades are brilliant. This is the summer collection. If you want a new summer go-to liquid lip, this is it. This is the collection for you. If you want something that's going to last, that you... Is it transfer proof? Let me see if it's dried down. It's not really transfer proof right now. Maybe it will be once it's dried down a little bit more. But if you want that collection and you need a liquid lipstick, you might find a summer colour for you in this new collection from Revolution. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a bit informative. I hope you like the colours, because do you know what, and I feel like they're £5.99 or they're £6.99. There is a shade for everyone. I've got about 15 of these lip kits now, and I honestly, I mix and match. I use the liner from one, I'll use a liquid lipstick from one. These are the lip contour kits that I feel like have really outdone themselves. They're really nice. The packaging is gorgeous on them and really match the lipstick that you're going to get inside. So yeah, I feel like I'm really impressed. So I hope you did enjoy this again, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.